How to log in into your Zangi account. Ready to log into your Zangi? It's pretty simple. First things first, you need to open up your Zangi app on your phone. You can see my app right over here. Simply tap on it. Then you will see the welcome screen, and this is how it look like. Now you will see an option for sign in, which is at the bottom. You can see it right over here. Simply tap on it. Now enter your phone number right over here. Then tap on this arrow right over here. Tap on it. Then enter your password, which you have set earlier for the Zangi account. Simply tap on it, enter the information, then tap on this arrow right over here again. And tada, you are successfully logged into your account. Now you will see your contacts, chats, and everything else is ready to go. And that's it. You have logged into your account and ready to continue. Lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.